Are you looking for some inspiration to upgrade your kitchen? Do you want to see how the latest trends and styles can transform your cooking space? If so, you are in luck. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of the best 50 modern kitchen designs. I'm also warmly recommending you read the post with the same name from our website, How to Build a House. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Whether you prefer a minimalist, rustic, industrial, or eclectic style, you'll find something to love in this section of amazing kitchen designs. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So join us on a virtual tour of the best 50 modern kitchen designs. From sleek and minimalist to luxurious and high-tech, we showcase the latest trends in kitchen design. Get inspired by innovative storage solutions, cutting-edge appliances, and stunning aesthetics. Whether you are a professional designer or a homeowner looking for ideas, this video will ignite your creativity and passion for modern kitchen design. Let's get started. You will see how different colors, materials, layouts, and appliances can create stunning and functional kitchens that suit your taste and needs. Whether you prefer a minimalist, rustic, industrial, or eclectic style, you'll find something to love in this collection of amazing kitchen designs. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. Hopefully you will find the right idea for your own kitchen in our video. But before starting to renovate your kitchen, don't forget to avoid several designing mistakes, such as 1. Forcing an island that doesn't fit the kitchen footprint or circulation. 2. Cluttering the counters with too many small appliances. 3. Going with a white grout that is hard to keep clean. 4. Ignoring the kitchen triangle rule, where the refrigerator, sink, and oven are within easy reach of each other. 5. Choosing the wrong flooring material that is not durable, slip resistant, or easy to maintain. To avoid this and other kitchen design errors, it is advisable to consult with a professional designer or use a kitchen design software that can help you plan your layout, storage, ventilation, lighting, and style. And that's it for our tour of the best 50 modern kitchen designs. We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own kitchen makeover. Which one of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.